Catalytic converter thefts, or catalytic converter Ixs as they get called online, have become way too common. If you own a car, the odds are higher than you might think that someone's been eyeing that shiny metal thing under your vehicle. Thieves target catalytic converters because, unbelievably, these small parts contain precious metals like platinum, rhodium, and palladium. The price of rhodium alone has reached up to $14,000 per ounce recently. No wonder the black market loves them. This isn't some genius criminal operation either. People literally crawl under your car with a cordless saw, and it can take less than 90 seconds to slice off a converter. It's fast, loud, and pretty bold. If you wake up in the morning and your car makes a deafening lawnmower on steroids sound when you start it, congrats, you've probably just experienced a catalytic converter Ix. It's not a fun club to join. Insurance companies have seen claims rise up to 325% over recent years. And out-of-pocket costs? Replacement ranges from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on your car. That's there goes my vacation money. Here's the real kicker. Certain cars like the Prius, Honda Element, and trucks with high ground clearance are targeted way more. So it kind of stinks if you felt clever buying a fuel-efficient hybrid for the planet. Thieves just see dollar signs. The absolute basics to protect yourself are: park in well-lit areas, install a motion-sensitive security camera if possible, and if you have a garage, use it. Most thieves don't want an audience while under your car with a saw. A catalytic converter locker shield is a game changer. These cost around $300, but compared to a $2,000 repair and a lot of headaches, it's a trade that actually makes sense. Think of it as an iron diaper for your exhaust system. Some local shops will etch your vehicle's VIN onto the catalytic converter for free or cheap. The theory is that scrapyards may refuse obviously marked parts. It's not a silver bullet, but it's something. If you're already a victim, file a police report. Yes, even if you think nothing will come of it. Some cities actually recover a few, and the data helps them track patterns for future prevention efforts. Plus, you'll need it for insurance. Don't skip calling your insurance company. If you have comprehensive coverage, it should cover the replacement, but be sure to factor in your deductible and expect to wait as parts shortages have caused frustrating delays. And here's a pro tip. Get in the habit of glancing under your car occasionally. If you spot saw marks or something looks off, act immediately, not only for the sake of your wallet, but because a faulty exhaust can leak poisonous fumes into your cabin. Stay sharp.